Hoo! Hey! No! Cappy! Huh? Hmm? Huh? Oh, wow! No, 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 no! No, 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 no! No! Help! Oh! Hey! Whoa!
Fish orgy. Fish. Uh-oh, looks like the meth is kicking in. Seagull.
Here we go. Oh no. Oh. What? Here we go. Ha ha ha. Oh no. Take that. Oh, cheater.
My gills are somewhere here on my neck. They're on this side.
Not for silver and gold finds, when stars appear in the blue eyes, moon refuses to face blue and black. However, dewdrops never hesitate to kiss rose, blue and black. When comes near, only doubts appear. Do not crush love and dearness, while distance kill all sweet thoughts, while distance kill all sweet thoughts. Love can never disturb hunger. Love can never disturb hunger. To put all the door of moonlight. to put all the door of morning lords, where man is not man, but an ugly toy and kicking of a cool laugh, or a duster for his costly shoes, or for cruel laugh, or a duster for his costly shoes. Love remains, necessities can never shut its mouth. Necessities can never shut its mouth. Mama knows that her son had to sleep on unpaved road with hunger and thirst. See dogs, don't forget, they are not as cruel as earthly lords. Love but remains mighty. Go and see a woman still standing at her hut door, waiting for her dear son. Oh my God, he is still sleeping with the non-dear dogs. He is still sleeping with the non-dear dogs. They have nothing and nothing. They have nothing and nothing. Priceless, regardless, workers. They live and earn for people. They live and earn for people. These silent workers die for society, which like to earn profit, but not want to invest love and mercy. Give nothing but get a lot. Give nothing but get a lot. Despite of all unjust, mother doesn't follow the rules of society. Despite of all unjust, mother doesn't follow the rules of society. She loves her dearest baby, not for silver and for golden coins, not love for love, not love for love. Love is in her nature, not love for love. Love is in her nature.
Am I possibly accurate hitboxes? I don't know, let's find out! Are accurate hitboxes possibly accurate hitboxes?